Hey everyone, this is a Crate GX-30M, and I'm going to try to make it sound good. Insane, you say? Welcome to the asylum. So this is the Crate GX-30M. It's a 30-watt solid-state amp from 1993, and in celebration of its 30th birthday, I'm going to try to make it sound good. And I'm going to do that by changing out the speaker. Now, unfortunately, I can't use the original speaker because a few months ago, I actually replaced the speaker for this very purpose, and in doing so, I ripped the cone. So to put that one back in wouldn't be too fair on this nice little crate. So what I am going to do is going to use the speaker that I have in it now, which is the Marshall MG series. I have 8 of these just laying around because I have 2 Marshall 412 cabinets that I replaced all the speakers in. So I'm going to start with that. Then we're going to move on to the Celestian Greenback, and then the Celestian Hempback. So we're going to see if I can make these sound good. I'm going to be playing it through this Gibson Les Paul Classic with Burstbucker 61 pickups. So let's see. Let's see if I can make this crate, this 30-year-old crate, sound good. All right, there it is. What'd you think? Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. I personally went for the greenback. I'm going to put that in there since I have one to spare, so to speak. But the greenback and the hempback, they both held their own. The hempback's a bit too powerful for that little 30-watt amp because it is a 50-watt speaker. But it pushed it. I really didn't have to do any, gain staging or anything to make it heard. it pushed it just fine. But I want that one in my main cabinets. The little crate, basically I just use that for practicing. Occasionally I'll use it to record cleans. It's got a great reverb on it and a great chorus, so I'll use that. But I wanted a little something more, and the original speaker just wasn't giving it to me. So there you go. I like the greenback, so I threw that in there. And fascinating how much, of a change. You really do get a tonal shift from each speaker. And, I hope you enjoyed the show. And the song that I was playing is called Stand. It's going to be on my upcoming album that'll be out later this year. So if you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. Because, I want to hear from everybody and anybody. So there you go. Thank you for joining me for episode 5. I hope that's correct. Of The Asylum. Check us out at the Asylum or asylumrecordingstudio.com. I've been C-Bus Brian from Sanitarium, sanitariumrockband.com. Links in the description. Thank you very much, and as always, rock on.